Hey you, welcome to my channel and thank you for coming to hang out with me today for this spring clean and decorate with me video. I am at the point where I am tired of looking at the Valentine's decorations and I am ready to put them away and kind of make the house a little springy looking. Now this decoration is extremely minimal. I probably have maybe about 5 things total to decorate with, but it's just the little things that I like and it's just the little things that really pop in my house. So I'm excited to be able to bring you guys along. I am going to go ahead and straighten up this living room area and do a little bit of spring cleaning. Now my spring cleaning is not like moving furniture around and all that other kind of stuff. It's not quite like that because I do that all year round. For the most part, I did take my curtains down and wash those. I did make a short about it, so if you're interested in seeing that, you can see it on my channel. So I did wash those and hang dry them on the curtain rod so they could dry. But for the most part, I'm just going to wipe everything down. This is the spray that I'm using. It's called Good Pure Joy. I got it from TJ Maxx and it smells so good, and it's really good. A cleaning all-purpose spray. The bad part is I was unable to find it again. So that's the only thing about buying cleaning products at TJ Maxx and Ross and things like that. You probably won't find it again, but it really does a good job and it smells like mint and basil. But I'm going to go ahead and get this clean. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Push the thumbs up button. That lets me know that you are enjoying this video and that means the world to me. And I will be back to talk to you soon.
I work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder.
So this bench, if you guys have noticed, I just moved it in here. It used to be in my kitchen area as like a mudroom type area where we would leave our shoes. So I have not cleaned out underneath these baskets in a while, and look at all this grass that was left from our shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of. And once I am done wiping this down, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the floor. And then I'm gonna mop, and then we're gonna start putting my itty bitty teeny weeny spring decorations in this room first. Then we're gonna move into the dining room and the kitchen area.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way
Now I'm moving into this little wine lounge area room. I still don't know what to call this, and I'm still not finished with it. But I did stop at Pop Shelf to get a few things, so I was going in there to get them out the bag. And I knew that I wanted something very small for the table in here because we're always watching TV and I don't like tall things. So I just went and got the plant that was on the back shelf by the TV, and then I'm going to move the plant that's over here in the fireplace and put that in the shelf, and it ended up looking really, really cute. But sometimes you can just move things around in your own home and it gives you a totally different feel and a totally different look and vibe. So that's pretty much what I did in here. I got this Happy Easter pillow from the Target dollar spot. It was $5. Just trying to figure out how I want to put it on this bench, and I ended up not liking it, so I moved it to the sofa.
If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
So moving over to this little area, that's where I had the girls' coffee bar, not coffee bar, hot cocoa bar. I did have it for Christmas, but they still continue to drink hot cocoa because it was still cold. So I just moved it over here, but now I'm going to take that away. And we also keep our games over here because that's where we pretty much play the games, is at the dining room table. So I wanted to go ahead and get this clean with the spray away glass cleaner. And then I know I wanted to put some color in here. I have pictures on my back wall, and it has orange and blue and yellows in it, so I wanted to bring some color. So I went upstairs to the guest room and got the orange flowers that I had in there in this vase and just placed it in here, and it's just screams spring all over. And then I knew I had some false oranges that really, really look realistic. So I wanted to put them in a bowl and throw them on the dining room table. And that ended up being my spring decor for this section.
I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, but I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
So I hope you guys noticed the pretty orange that were in the pictures, and I love how it came together. But while I was cleaning, my husband came home and brought home some alcohol for my little alcohol bar. I'm really a wine drinker, but he wanted to do just some little clear alcohol like vodkas and things like that for when we do have guests and they don't drink bourbon. If you guys have been here before, you know that my husband has a whole bourbon room upstairs. So he just wanted to give people variety for when they did come over. So I'm just going in here and putting this together on this bar, and I promise you, y'all, we are not alcoholics, but we do kind of entertain a lot. My husband has a lot of business meetings here upstairs and at home, so just want to be hospitable. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all these bottles up, and then I'm showing you I got this picture from Pop Shelf. It was for $5, and this candle from Pop Shelf, and y'all, the candle actually smells when you burn it. And that was only $5 from Pop Shelf too. So let me know if you guys have ever been there. It's super, super cute store, and they have really cute seasonal decoration and just everyday cleaning supplies and all kinds of little things like that. So I'm going to figure out where to put the stuff in the kitchen. I never have a plan, you guys. I literally just buy stuff and then I just figure out where to put it. So you will probably see me move some stuff around and yeah, try to figure it out as I walk away. I'll look at something and I'll say, oh no, I don't like that, and then I'll change it up. But as you can see, my coffee bar over there is already done. I'll show you a close-up of that. I did a short on that as well, but I will show you what I did spring-wise to the coffee bar. Now, when I was over here in this corner, I was like, I really want to do something different. So I moved this diffuser over here, and then I didn't like it, so I moved it back. But you'll see.
I'm a little messed up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realized I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget everything that I've told you. 'Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby. I'll bring you right back home. And oh, it dawned on me. Yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was golden. You gotta know, I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I'm stuck up in pride. I'm waking up now. But you know that I need you. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. I'm waking up now.
So now moving on to the island, I am taking, that was the centerpiece that was on my table before, and it was super tall, so whenever we would be sitting at the table we would have to move it. We couldn't see each other, so that's why I wanted something very low this time, but it ended up looking really cute on my island and I really like it there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these dishes done so that I can have a complete kitchen, and then be sure to stay around for the after shots. And I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. Don't forget to push thumbs up if you are enjoying it.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me. Come home.
I just love using the Clean Freak spray. I love the mist and how perfectly it goes on the countertops. But now I'm showing you the after photos, or not photos, the after products. I love this pink peachy color, and I ended up purchasing some towels from the Target dollar spot with the same color in it. And then this bunny and the sign I got from the Target dollar spot, which not sure why they color that because nothing there is really $1, but it's also a cute place to get seasonal decor. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for being here. It means so much, and I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.